Hi, Jack. How's it going?
Hey, Emma, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. So, what have you been up to lately? Any new hobbies?
Actually, yes. I've started learning how to play the guitar. It's something I've always wanted to try.
That's amazing. How's it going so far?
It's been a bit challenging, to be honest, but I'm getting the hang of it. I usually practice for about an hour every day.
That's dedication. Do you have a favorite song you're learning?
Yeah, I'm working on Let It Be by the Beatles. It's a classic, and the chords are fairly simple for beginners.
I love that song. Music is such a great hobby. It must be really satisfying to hear yourself improve.
Definitely. What about you, Emma? What hobbies do you have?
Well, I've been really into painting lately. It's such a relaxing way to spend my free time. I mostly paint landscapes.
That sounds peaceful. Do you do it professionally or just as a hobby?
Just as a hobby for now, but I've been thinking about selling some of my work online. It could be a fun side project.
That's a great idea. Your paintings must be really good if you're considering selling them.
Thanks. It's been a great way to unwind after work. Plus, it feels good to create something with my own hands.
I get that. It's important to have hobbies that help you relax and de-stress.
Totally agree. So, besides guitar, do you have any other hobbies?
I also enjoy hiking whenever I can. There's something about being in nature that clears my mind. What about you? Any other interests?
Oh, I love cooking. I try out new recipes all the time. Lately, I've been experimenting with different cuisines, Italian, Thai, Indian. It's been fun.
That sounds delicious. You'll have to cook for me sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to. Maybe we can have a little dinner party with our friends.
That sounds like a great plan. It's nice to share hobbies with others, don't you think?
Absolutely. It makes them even more enjoyable.
Agreed. Well, let's catch up again soon and maybe share some of our hobby progress.
Definitely. Let's do that. Take care, Jack.
You too, Emma. Talk soon.